my channel is Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, and I am here with a meal plan for the week of February 26th through March the 4th. So let's jump right in. Okay, so to review from last week, the budget that I set was $120, and I am happy to report that I hit my budget. I was actually about $20 underneath my budget. I was able to get groceries for $100 last week. So yay me and yay to sticking to my budget. So this week I of course have pulled my pens, and I'm going to use my .07 tools in hot pink and lime green. And as far as washi, this washi tape came from the Student Create 365 sticker roll. And of course I pulled the lime green, so that's why we have this, and it's going to be super bright and super colorful. And I have my meal plan sheet here from the Daydreamer collection, and I have my meal planned out there. I have my grocery list already written. And as far as sticker books, oh yes, I'm jumping right in using my food sticker book from the latest Create 365 Happy Planner release. Okay, I am also going to be using the Agenda 52 food sticker book. So in addition to, like I said, that food book, the new Happy Planner food book, I'm using the Agenda 52 food sticker book, as well as the Payday foiled sticker pack, as I do typically just about every week. So, how did you do last week? Were you able to stick to your budget? Like, it's a celebration, literally, when I stick to my budget. Like, I'm so super happy about it. And I can't say enough about online grocery ordering. And that's regardless if you go to Walmart, Harris Teeter, whatever supermarket offers it in your area. I just think it's definitely worth it. It's instrumental for me to stick to my budget. I'm not going willy-nilly and just grabbing things, adding it to the cart when it wasn't on my original list. So I certainly appreciate that service. And so I'm just going to put that one on the bottom. We're going to just use this one throughout. And then I'm going to take the scallop washi right there, and I'm going to run it long ways, vertically. And this washi is so nice and vibrant. I especially like that part about it. Oh, so I have had an extremely rough week. Like, I have not been feeling well at all. Just from, you know, I have a new medication that was added, so just some adjustment with that. It made me extremely sick on Tuesday through Wednesday. And then just as I thought I was getting better, had another, I don't know, what do you call it, incident on yesterday. So, how many of you got the opportunity to go see the new Black Panther Marvel movie? And if you went, what did you think about it? Did you like it? Would you go see it again? Do you think there's going to be a sequel? Tell me all about that. Okay. It's nice and bright. And bright is good. All right, let's get this little scallop washi and let's make it go straight down the middle here. I'm going to turn it this way. All right, so on this side, we are going to just run the scallop here, Does anybody have any recipes they'd like to share? I'm typically very creative, and I have no problems Googling a recipe if I am bored with what we've been eating. But I try not to repeat a whole lot of meals because the family, you know, they get bored of that sometimes if you're just cooking the same things over and over and over again. So I'm glad that my ability to cook is a strong ability. Let's put it that way. And I'm able to follow a recipe and adapt and, you know, season my food well. All right. So we'll just run this here. And then run it here. And then we are all done with the washi. All right. Let's put this meal on paper. So, of course, we are meal planning for the week of February the 26th through March the 4th. And, of course, we have our budget that we want to set. And put this in writing budget. And this, I'm going to try to cut it better than I did last week. Last week that thing was so jacked up and it looked rather cray-cray. But this week, I don't think it looks as crazy. So I think my budget this week will be, Mr. Master Plan is on a health kick. I must tell you guys about this. So he is smoothie bound, and today he had me purchase him a individual, like a NutriBullet, like a small one. And so let's see how long this fad lasts. So I'm going to say $125 just based on the fact that I have to buy stuff for him to make smoothies. This guy. Oops, I can't grab this for some reason. Okay. All right, so let's start meal planning here. So for Monday, I have corned beef, cabbage, and rice. Something simple. Corned beef, cabbage, and rice. And then on Tuesday, you know what day it is. It's Taco Tuesday, and we're just having some old school beef tacos with all the fixings, of course. And then I'm going to use the food book, and I am going to actually grab and go to the taco page. I just did a flip through of this thing. One would think I remember. Here we go. And we are going to put a taco on here. Okay. And we are going to use the Taco Tuesday sticker. All right, on Wednesday, we are going to have spaghetti bake, corn, and garlic bread. Now, I believe that perhaps I simply cooked this meal or planned this meal so I could use that awesome spaghetti sticker. It's so Oh my goodness, it's cute and it's so realistic with the little meatballs on top of it. There she is. I thought I saw Parmesan cheese, but maybe not. But, and we're gonna put a little bread there to represent the garlic bread. Awesome. I'm in love with that. Okay. On Thursday, we will be having leftovers. Yes, we will. Friday, we are going to have some takeout. So let's see. They don't have a takeout sticker. So we will go to our Old Faithful, which is the lovely Agenda 52 sticker book. So let's see. I'm gonna add this yummy sticker here because it's pink and it goes with our spread. Let's see. Here we go. Order takeout. All right. Saturday, my daughter and I will be out of town, so everybody will fend for themselves, simply because we're out of town. Now, Sunday, I am going to prepare my 3-packet pot roast. 3-packet. I can't spell. I did packet pot roast. Pot roast. I'm just messing this up. And we're gonna have herb potatoes. And green beans. All right. So that completes our actual meal plan portion of the weekly meal plan. So let's go and we are going to pop in our wonderful grocery list. I'm gonna put this little sticker here. It's a cute little black and white grocery cart. And I wanted to see if there was a smoothie perhaps somewhere in this book, since that's kind of gonna go in the specialty area because this guy wants to eat smoothies. I just wanna know, okay, if he's gonna keep it up. So I don't know. I have no idea if he is. I don't see a smoothie sticker, but it's okay. I don't think there was any smoothies in this sticker book. The food sticker book. I don't think there was a smoothie. Okay. But at least I did get to use it in my spread, so that's always great. You know, let's use the things we buy. Well, I plan on using the things I buy, or I don't need to buy them. I used to want to just hoard my stickers, or I would think, oh my goodness, I gotta save this and I may run out, or, you know, now I'm just like, girlfriend, you bought these items, why did you buy them if you're not gonna use them? All right. So I have already filled in the right side with my grocery list. And just to recap, this is the weekly meal plan for February 26th through March the 4th. My budget is set at $125. Here are the fabulous meals that my family and I will eat this week. And other than that, I hope that you have planned out your week for next week. Now I have to pop online and place my order for grocery. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch my channel and to observe this meal plan. So if you enjoyed the video, if you don't mind, please give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a wonderful week. Ciao, Bella.